Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Road to Percona Live. I'm Matt Yankovic, head of open source strategy here at Percona, or the Haas for short. And today I'm joined with Alex Kuzminskyi. Alex has been a longtime community member in the MySQL space. He used to work for Percona, and I've known Alex for years and years. I'm happy that he's going to be talking at Percona Live. How you doing today, Alex?
I'm going well. Well, thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. I'm really excited about your talk because you're going to be talking to us about the work that's happening at Pinterest using ProxySQL at scale, which is super interesting, especially at larger sizes. So I was hoping maybe today you could give us a brief overview of what people will learn if they attend your talk at Percona Live.
hmm A brief overview. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about provisioning aspects of ProxySQL. I mean, everybody knows how great the ProxySQL product is, and at Pinterest, I believe we have this unique environment set up where we have a lot of ProxySQL instances that are fronting a lot of different databases. And the talk is about how to manage all this farm of instances and databases, how to manage the configuration, how to uh, how to support ProxySQL instance throughout its life cycle, and how not get crazy after all this.
Yeah,
So
I understand that. Yeah. About how large is the environment that you're working with now? It's got to be very large.
mm, well, of course, everything is relative. I think we have uh, thousands of MySQL masters.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. And
more than 1,000.
yeah, so I can imagine that, deploying a tool like ProxySQL to do some load balancing, to do some query rewrites, to using some of the functionality is critically important in that
It
sort
is.
of environment.
It is. And to make it more fun, we at Pinterest we have a diversity of different databases. I mean, there are different services. They have different data sets, different table structure, different load on each of them, and uh, we have to handle all of that. We at the ProxySQL level, we have to support all features. We will have to be able to provide port-based routing, user-based routing. We have to enable cache. We have basically we have to satisfy every customer's request. And this I want to emphasize at scale when you have many instances when they come and go. um, this is the cloud environment, so instances are expected to be short-lived, and we actually enforce them to be uh, not older than 30 days. So yeah, this is the world we live in.
So lots of instances, lots of turnover in terms of databases, and managing that complexity. I'm really looking forward to hearing how Proxy SQL fits into that, and I hope other people are going to attend and come out and see you in person, May 16th through 18th. We'd love to have you out in Austin. Come say hi to Alex. Stop by. And see what he's doing, see what other people are doing. We've got over 100 different sessions from all kinds of different leaders in the MySQL, Postgres, and MongoDB space. It's going to be fun. I'm really looking forward to getting in person again. I don't know about you, Alex, but man, I miss getting in person and meeting some of my friends and colleagues.
I do miss it, and the moment I learned that it's gonna be offline event, I immediately submitted my talk, and tickets and hotels. hotel is booked, so I'll be there, and I'm gonna see all of you guys.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you for stopping by and sharing with us a little bit about your talk. And we hope to see you all at Percona Live. All right. We're good. All right.